Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to do guided access on iPad. To do guided access on iPad, guys, you just need to navigate to your settings. And now once you're in your setting, guys, now just choose accessibility option, accessibility. Yep, the second option after the general. And now guys, in accessibility you will find here the guided access option. Yeah, here it is. So you just need to tap on it and just turn it on, guys. Once you turn this on, now you can set the password key as well, passcode as well. So I have enabled the touch ID. Now to start a session, guys, open any desired application and just you just need to type like I want to, guys. I have opened my Chrome browser, and now just triple click, guys, or triple tap your home button. Let me again do it, guys. Triple time, and this will come over here. This option, this will prompt, guys. Now just tap on guided access, and now you can circle any area you want to disable. Like I want to disable this area. So now if you're trying to tap or if you're trying to touch this area, guys, it won't work. This area will be completely disabled. So you can tap on this start button to start this guided access, guys. So yeah, this is how, guys, you can do it. I hope you like it. Subscribe for more video, guys. Till then.